Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on Windows 11 or Windows 10. The lock screen is the first thing you see when you start your PC, and customizing it with your favorite image or slideshow adds a personal touch. Whether you want to use a photo, Windows Spotlight, or a slideshow, it's easy to set up. Let's get started. Open the search menu and type Settings, then open it. In the left-hand menu, click Personalization. Scroll down the Personalization menu and click Lock Screen. Click the drop-down under Personalize your lock screen and choose an option like Picture, Slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. You can also click Browse to use a custom image. You can choose which app shows status info on the lock screen. Also toggle Show the lock screen background picture on the sign-in screen if desired. You can press Windows plus L to lock the screen and preview the new wallpaper. That's it. Your lock screen wallpaper is now updated. If this guide helped, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.